Good evening and welcome to week 6 Play in Children with Special Needs. I hope you guys are doing well. Happy Valentine's Day to you and to your family. It is hard to believe we're on week 6, ladies. We're almost finished with this course. Can you believe it? Anyway, you know the drill. I'm going to provide you with an overview of the assignments that you are going to be working on for week 6. So, as always, we have our week 6 lecture that's going to have videos, possible article links, different things like that for you to review. Then we have our week 6 discussion. And so there's going to be some web links for you to look at. So basically, you're going to watch the videos um, available with the following web links. As you do so, reflect on the approach the instructor is employing. Consider whether it's developmentally appropriate practice and examine the assessment techniques. So, you have 3 videos that you're going to be watching. Developing body awareness, which is building and drawing Map Man. Early childhood development, writing assessment sample, and teaching strategies for the alphabet. So in your initial discussion post, you want to address the following questions, prompts. You're going to summarize the teaching strategies and assessment techniques that you saw in each of the provided videos. Explain whether the techniques and strategies in the provided videos were developmentally appropriate. If the parts of the lesson were not developmentally appropriate, describe what you would do to improve them. And finally, even if the lesson was developmentally appropriate, did you notice any areas where the lesson could have been improved? Make sure you defend your suggestions. In considering developmentally appropriate practice, there's a web link for you discussing developmentally appropriate practice, also known as DAP. So please make sure that you have your initial post posted by Wednesday, February the 17th by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And also make sure that your initial post is 150 words. Also that you respond to 2 to 3 posts and that you participate in the discussion on 3 different days. Your next assignment is going to be your week 6 report. So you're going to be completing a 1 to 2 page report and a corresponding table. So, using the information that you have learned about the stages and benefits of play, prepare a table. The first row has been completed for you, and I'll show you an example. For each of the remaining stages of play, listed in your own words, provide a brief description of the stage and summary in the stage benefits. Once you have completed the table, write a 1 to 2 page narrative explaining the role of play in learning the content areas of language and literacy, math, science, social studies, and creative arts. So you want to make sure that you are addressing all of those content areas: language and literacy, mathematics, science, social study, and art. So here is a copy of the table. As you can see, the first one is done. The first stage is unoccupied. You have your description of stage play and the benefit of stage play. So you are going to fill in solitary, onlooker, parallel, associative, and cooperative play. And then you want to make sure that you are using your completing your narrative, so you want to have your introduction, your body, and your conclusion, and make sure that your narrative is 1 to 2 pages. And then also for you, this assignment is 15% of your final grade. This also gives you the directions on how to do it. It has some web links for you and also has your grading rubric for you. So please use this rubric to help you. Then you have your week 6 quiz, which is going to contain 10 multiple choice, true false questions. You will have 2 attempts and it's untimed. Your grade will be based on the higher of the 2 attempts. I cannot stress this enough. Please take your time with your quiz. I know you guys want to get it done. It is untimed. So please take your time. You only have 2 attempts. And then lastly, you have your week 6 reflection. Is where um, you're going to, it is basically in this week's discussion, we consider developmentally appropriate practice as it relates to lesson planning and assessment. In your reflection of this week, please address the following. Explain what you consider to be the markers of developmentally appropriate practice. How do you know if assessment or lesson plan is developmentally appropriate? And as you consider your future career in an early childhood setting, describe how you will ensure that your lesson plans and assessments are developmentally appropriate. As you know, your assignments are due by Saturday, February the 20th by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will be posting developmentally appropriate resources for you guys. So that way, if you have any questions, stages of play, resources to help you with your table and narrative, you guys can always reach out to me by email or text. And then, of course, ask the instructor tab. Um, so, if you have any missing assignments, please get those in. We are getting down to the wire. I just want to tell you guys I appreciate all of your hard work. I know you guys have been going through a lot from sickness, death, and other issues. I just appreciate you being dedicated to completing this course, and I want you to know it has not gone unnoticed. So I do appreciate each and every one of you. But you know where to find me. I hope you guys have a great week. Continue to stay safe and have a good night. Bye bye.